Hi there, students. Read my lips. Okay, this is an idiom. This means listen carefully to what I say. Pay attention. Yeah, it's usually used as an imperative. Now, there's a very famous example of this one. George Bush in 1988 in his election campaign said, "Read my lips, no new taxes." So this was a promise from him. He was campaigning, trying to become elected as president, and he said, "Read my lips, no new taxes." So I'm being very clear. Please pay close attention to what I said. And then when he was president, obviously he raised taxes and created new taxes. Okay, so read my lips, listen to me carefully. Look, I've already told you I'm not going to lend you some money. Read my lips. No. Which part of no do you not understand? Pay careful attention. Yeah? Dad, can I go out tonight? No, I've already said no. Read my lips. You cannot go out tonight. Yeah? Okay? So this read my lips. Listen closely to what I'm going to say. I'm going to be very clear about it. Yeah? Let's see. If you say this to someone, it's a bit aggressive. It's a little bit rude. It's quite strong. But I'm saying you should definitely believe the truth in what I say. It's not false. Read my lips. This is true. Okay, so you say read my lips, and then you use repeat the statement that you have made. Listen to what I'm saying, because I really do mean it. Let's see. You can take this idiom literally. Somebody who is deaf, who can't hear, very often is able to read people's lips. Yeah, to lip read, to understand what somebody is saying by watching the movement of their mouths or their mouths. Yeah, but this we use metaphorically, saying listen carefully to what I'm saying. Okay, so pay close attention. Read my lips. I'm not paying for this. Okay, so I'm using it to emphasize, to tell somebody don't try anymore, or a way to reinforce the statement that you're making. But notice it's slightly rude. Yeah, listen carefully to what I'm saying. I'm not going to say this again. You mustn't do it like this. Read my lips. Here comes the emphasis. Don't do it like that. Okay, so this is the idea. This is an informal phrase. Yeah, I think I would probably give it something like for informality. I use it in an informal conversation, use it in a semi-formal conversation, but no more. I would only use this, I think, when speaking. Yeah. So he emphasized what he said by saying, read my lips, and then he said it again. And that's how to use it. You say something, or you've said it before, if you've already said it before. Read my lips. You can't have any more chocolate. Okay? So it's just a way of reinforcing it to make it stronger. So read my lips, no new taxes. I think this phrase now also, it has become a meme to say that politicians will promise anything when they are campaigning to get people's votes, and you actually can't trust them, particularly when they say, you really can trust me, read my lips. Yeah, if a politician or somebody says If a politician says, read my lips, I'm going to do this, I would be very doubtful. But normally, this is a way to make something emphatic, to say emphatically. So let's see. Don't translate into English from your own language. Read my lips. Don't translate. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Read my lips.